Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today was a pretty nice day out to do some flying, so I decided to test my Recruit and my Nano Goblin. Now, the Nano Goblin today I was running the Furious Trudy 3.6 with a 3-turn and a 5-turn helical. And I put a ion on here on the aircraft at first in place of the pagoda that I usually use, and I really didn't like it, so brought it back in, put the pagoda on. So running 800 milliwatt Unify Pro HV, and here you can see we have pushed to over a kilometer and testing return to home to make sure that that is working well for us. A little bit later, pushed out to 2 kilometers now, and everything is looking good. Videos just as good as it was before, nothing really crazy. I do notice though that I am flying about 30 to 35 degrees out of my path. I should be flying closer over towards these ponds here. As you can see, as I come to 3 kilometers and I'm getting closer to the actual middle of the beam width that I should be flying in, things are improving, but not 100%, but still not a big deal. Shooting through some trees that are only a couple hundred yards away from me, so it's hard to figure out the right amount of altitude versus everything else to get everything dialed in here. So 3.6 kilometers here. My goal is to hit 5 to fly to my house. And I believe I am about to initiate a return to home right here. So once I initiated that return to home, kind of got things lined up a little bit better. This is more of the line and heading that I should have been taking, which I'm going to have to start checking that out, like with my phone and my compass, just kind of seeing what heading I should be flying on. Over 3 kilometers now, and just going to keep on pushing it in this direction here, since the video seems to be a lot better this time. .5, Everything's looking good. Coming up on 4 kilometers. It's just pretty amazing that when you're out at distance like this, you just have a little less margin for error. You really need to kind of be in that beam width for sure. I need to basically stack these a little bit differently on a ground station to do some comparison, I think, to see exactly if I can achieve better results and not worry so much about moving my head around and everything like that. But you can see again, I'm having some issues here at a little under 5 kilometers. My house is just coming up underneath me, and I just basically keep on pushing through. Video coming in and out, not too bad. And I should hit 5 about right now and initiate the return to home. So, mission accomplished. All with the Nano Goblin. Made it there. Was pretty excited. Now I just need to kind of get some feedback and some information and kind of iron this out a little bit to try to push this a little further, or am I kind of just maxed out at around this range on 5.8? I don't believe that. I think I can do more, but I want to go about it the right way. I don't want to overbuy the wrong antenna and get something that's a little too crazy and a little too narrow. This is probably about as far as I really want to fly, but anyway, any help would be appreciated, and hope you enjoyed. Talk to you later.